Hey, what's up guys? I just want to make a video on the 2024 Rally Armor mud flaps for the Subaru 2024 RS. Just because there's none really out there and it's a little confusing. But basically you gotta undo these 3 clips. And then there's a clip right down here somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but you gotta undo that one as well. And you basically just give this a little tug, not too hard.
It'll pop out like that. You'll see a little clip that popped out. Just be gentle with it. And then from here, you're gonna work back your car's the liner. Pop that out a bit. There you go. Just like that.
And the kit, they give you instructions. The instructions are just a little weird. But the long screws, the longer ones, you want the longer ones to go 1, 2, 3. And the 3rd screw on this metal bar is going to be this small screw, like that, with a washer. And you want to save the clip with the bigger ring. I don't know if you can see it. One's smaller, one's bigger. You want to use there'll be 3 smaller ones for the 3 long screws, and the bigger ring will be for that shorter screw. And what you do is you attach this clip with the bigger ring. Like so. And then you'll screw it in later. And I guess the first thing to do would be to take the ones with the small rings and you'd attach them inside. So you're gonna have to pull back the liner without bending it too much or anything. And you're gonna want this ring to be on the other side. That's the confusing part about the instructions. So you're gonna wanna put that ring outside and it should snap in just like that. Super simple. Next ring. And that's why you gotta pull back the liner, because this next ring won't necessarily you won't be able to get it on without it, without pulling this whole thing back. And the last one's right in there. See, you gotta pull this back. Don't put it on this. You wanna put it on the one back here. Like that.
We got it all back. Put it all back into place. Just like that. So it's all lined up. Yeah, there's gonna be a little gap, but that's okay, because once you screw it, it'll look a lot better. So what you do is line up the first one. I use a drill. I'm using a drill to kind of get that straight through the actual cuts. Or just a screwdriver. First screw on it. You want to screw it all the way in first, you want to make sure you're lined up. I can still wiggle it around, make sure it's exactly where I want it to be later on.
So next you're going to grab this metal bracket here. You're going to make sure the 2 holes are facing up. It's going to be like this, but you're going to put it under, just like so. Or the top of the
metal bracket is on the second one. Again, another long screw. Find where it should go. And screw that one in, not too tight. That way you can adjust it. And one more long screw in the last one. Make sure the metal bracket is aligned in the last one.
Let's see, just want to make sure it's aligned. And again, these are the front. This is the front of the Subaru. This is the passenger side.
So it looks pretty good where I want it right now.
I'll go ahead and tighten it down and see how it looks. Not too tight, because it'll start to look weird if you get too tight. And there's one last clip, and this is the small screw I was telling you about. And you're gonna want to attach it right over here through the clip, and you're kind of gonna have to hold both sides while you do it. And there you go. Dude, this is the driver's side right here. Shout out Nameless. This is the rear.